So let's get started on recipe number 1. We're doing a pulled pork, but we are doing an apple cider pulled pork. And I'm also gonna make apple cider slaw. So we're gonna do pulled pork sandwiches with the slaw on top. It's gonna be good. Let's make it. So let's make our rub for the pork. Now I'm gonna be using a bone-in pork because that's what I have. I got that from Butcher Box not too long ago. So I'm gonna be using that. If I had boneless, I would be using the boneless instead because it's gonna make it a little harder when it comes time to shred it, you know, all of that, but it'll be okay. Couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. We need a good bit of salt. We need a lot of ground pepper. Do I have a thing of, hold on. I do. Instead of standing here and grinding this forever, let's do this. If I can get it open, there we go. Now let's do some smoked paprika, some ground mustard, and a little bit of cinnamon. I mean, it's apple cider, so it just makes sense to add some cinnamon in with it too. Let's mix all of that together. Okay, let's cut up an onion. For this recipe, I'm using a Vidalia onion, a sweet onion, and we're just going to slice it. We don't have to chop it. Okay, so we sliced that up, got it in rings, and then we need some garlic too, so I'll grab that out of the fridge. I'm not gonna do fresh garlic, I'm just gonna use garlic. But let me grab my crock pot and let's throw this together. At the bottom of our crock pot, I'm gonna throw our onion. Then let me grab my pork. So I've got our pork here. I am going to sprinkle our dry rub on it. I'm gonna try and coat it all over. I need to get some more garlic. You wanna do 3 or 4 cloves worth. All right, you want a couple of cups of unsweetened or no added sweetener apple cider. So I'm gonna pour that in. You also want a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm just gonna eyeball this. 1, 2. Last thing we're gonna do, I've got some fresh thyme here. I'm just gonna put that on top. And let's put the lid on. And since mine is so huge because it's got the bone in, I'm gonna cook mine on high all day. If yours is a little bit smaller, like a 3 or 4 pound, low all day should be fine. So it's only got the 6 hours for high. So I just need to remember to come in here this afternoon and put it back over to high again for some extra time. But that is recipe number 1. Let's go ahead and make the slaw to go with it and stick it in the fridge. So for our slaw, I am using the help of the grocery store. It's just so much easier just to buy it like this. But let's make the dressing. So we need about a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. We need the same amount, a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm gonna use this mustard. You could also use Dijon. We just need like a tablespoon. Let's add a couple of tablespoons of honey and then just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Let's whisk that together. Oh, that smells tangy and good. Let's pour this over our coleslaw. That way it will be kind of soaking in it all day. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on this and you're about to see our taste test of all of this later in the day. It has been all day long. Oh, our little thyme is all burnt. Can you see that? Bless its little heart. Pull that out. And I'm gonna remove a lot of this fat off the top and then I'm gonna try to shred and just pull the bones out. Okay, this was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. So that's good. I have shredded that to the best of my ability and I grabbed this apple cider vinegar slaw out of the fridge. Trying to let it drain some so it doesn't make it too soggy, I hope. Okay, and then let's top it with some of this slaw. That looks delish. Hopefully it's good.
It's gonna be good.
I just made one, so we're just gonna have to split this one.
Well, there's no tinkage involved then.
I know, right?
Just, I'm gonna have to take a big bite.
I hope it's good. Oh my gosh, I hope it's good.
It is good. That is really good. Apple cider vinegar. That is amazing.
The vinegary taste that you're getting is from the slaw.
Really?
This is apple cider. That's apple cider vinegar.
Oh. That is really good. The apple flavor is amazing.
I just took a bite of just the pork itself. Do you want to try that?
Oh, yeah.
So that's just more of just the apple cider taste. It's not vinegary.
Wow.
Right.
Man.
But then when you couple it with the apple cider vinegar.
Yeah. Amazing things happen.
It's really good.
Good job, babe.
That's
Really good.
delicious.
And it'd be cool Take some of that out and put it on a Blackstone, crisp it up. Make it nice and crispy and like concentrate.
Blackstone, yeah. I thought you said a bison. I don't know why I thought you said a bison. I was like, we're going to put it on a bison. All right.
No, we're not going to do that.
But no, I love so the pork itself, I don't want to say it's sweet, but it's more of the apple cider taste. But then you put that slaw on top that has the vinegary taste. It's really good.
Yes, flavor elevation there for sure. Really good.
This next recipe is a pot roast, but it's a very different one. And I had seen different versions of it floating around the internet. And then I got this comment. This comment came from Tammy. This was back in August. She asked me about this. She said, have you ever seen or made the Catalina dressing pot roast? I've come across it several times, but I've never tried it. You should guinea pig it up for us and let us know how it goes. It actually has a ton of 5 stars. So I'm gonna be your guinea pig today. I found several versions of this recipe, so I'm kind of tweaking it to do what I think would be the best. Let's do it. So I've got an onion here. It's a pretty small onion, but I'm just gonna slice it. I'm also gonna cut these celery stalks into kind of chunks. I'm not gonna do them super small. Let's do the same with a couple of carrots. So I peeled these, and we're just gonna cut them into chunks as well. All right, that's all done. Now, I just washed this little bag of mini potatoes. We're gonna use maybe half of this bag, maybe a little more. Obviously, I don't have to peel these, but I'm either gonna cut them in half or in quarters, just depending on how big each one is. All of that is done. That was the hardest part of the whole thing. So this is called a Catalina roast, which means you use the Catalina dressing. I'm also going to mix the Catalina dressing. I'm not using this whole thing, by the way. I'm going to use half of it. I'm going to mix it with some beefy onion soup mix. We're going to whisk that together, and then let's put all this in the crock pot. Half of this is going to go in. It's hard to tell. Let's see. Do we have ounces on here? Oh, we do. So I'm doing 8 ounces, in case you're wondering. This beefy onion soup mix is going to go in, and let's just kind of whisk that together. So on the bottom, let's put our onion. On top of that, we're gonna place our pot roast, or our chuck roast. And this is a little over 2 pounds, I believe. Then let's put in all the rest of our veggies all around it. Now we just pour our dressing over top. That's it, y'all. I really hope we love this. Let's pop the lid on, and let's put this on low for 8 hours. Okay, our roast is done, and it is definitely falling apart. It smells really, really good. All right, let me see if I can get a few pieces. Okay, here we go. Don't fall apart too much, please. Look at that. It's just coming apart.
Oh, it's delicious.
So I'm not going to tell you what's in this pot roast. I just want you to try it, and then I'll tell you what's in it.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds dangerous.
I hope it's not.
Man, what is that?
First of all, is it good?
Yeah, that's delicious. Golly. What is that? That is amazing.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, that is delicious.
Okay.
What is it, something weird?
Yeah. It's got salad dressing in there.
Really?
It's called Catalina roast. It's a Catalina salad dressing
Man,
mixed with an onion soup mix, and that's it.
that's amazing, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to try it.
Yes, you do.
Okay. What are the veggies like? Are they good?
That is some really good flavor right there.
All
You know,
right.
sometimes when you get the roast beef, it just, it's kind of a
be like,
mundane
meh.
sort of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not this.
All right.
Man, that meat is like a sponge. It just soaks up all that goodness.
Okay.
That's good stuff, isn't it?
Wait a minute. That is not the flavor I was expecting. It is so good.
It is good. I don't know what kind of dressing that is.
I'm going to be honest. It looks kind of like French, but it's not quite French.
Okay.
But I was nervous. I ain't gonna lie. I was a little nervous. When I was putting that dressing in today, I thought, did I just ruin this roast?
Yeah, you definitely want some bread for that sauce.
Yeah, that
Load
would
up
be
on the
good. I
sauce
should have
in
made some
there.
bread, yeah.
Man, Sop it up.
But that is delicious.
Yeah.
And the veggies kind of soaked in that flavor too. So Tammy Lynn, there you go. I tried the Catalina pot roast. We can attest it is amazing. So you should do it too.
Absolutely.
Hello. I am sitting here editing this video, actually, and I wanted to tell you I had every intention of having 3 recipes in this video, like I normally do. But life has been, you ever feel like you're just getting beat up by just life? Life has just been busy, and I've been feeling very overwhelmed and anxious. And that's not like me. And I don't know if it's hormone related. I don't know what's going on, but I've just been a little overwhelmed. And because of that, there are only 2 recipes in this video. And I thought, well, maybe I should just not post. I'll just save these recipes and post it another day. But then you know what? I decided the perfectionist in me, who always thinks that everything has to be just so, needs to sit down and be quiet for just a minute. And I'm just going to post what I have, because I would rather post something than nothing. And I'm still proud of these 2 recipes, but I just wanted to say thank you for being here. Thank you for understanding. I know that you do. And I know you don't expect me to have 3 recipes every single time. I would love to be able to do that, but sometimes it's just not, it's not possible. It is currently, what time is it? 20 after 9 in the evening. And I am editing this so that I can get it up for tomorrow's video. So this is Monday. You're seeing this video on Tuesday. It's just, it's a last minute thing. And I'm not a last minute person. I don't like feeling like this. So hopefully I can get it together and be less anxious and less overwhelmed. I just need to pray about that. But I just wanted to say goodbye. I don't even think I said hello in this video. I think I just jumped right into it. So just so that we don't miss this, because somebody will call me out for it, I do need to say, hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. But maybe I should more appropriately say, bye y'all. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next time.